Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have IMIKI Frame 2 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press it again to open the menu, then scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, look for the option called sound and vibration and select it, and here tap on vibration. And as you can see, we have three levels of vibration. We have low, medium and high. So select the one you like and then tap on the check mark to confirm. Once you select one and tap on the check mark to confirm, you have like a preview of the vibration, so you can test them out for yourself. And once you find the one you enjoy, apply it and then press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.